Death is a natural part of life, my love. I wish only to be prepared for my lifetime. Will always be a part of me. I will always be a part of you.
And you are gone, but a part of me dies as well.
Culmination of love is grief. She's gone.
Yeah.